Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on logging out of the Facebook Messenger app. Amazingly, there is no logout button on Messenger, so we have to get a bit creative. One way of getting logged out of Messenger is to go into your phone's settings. I'm on Android, but the equivalent on iPhone will be similar. In the settings, go to Apps and then Manage Apps. Type in Messenger and select it. Tap on the Clear Data button. Now tap on Clear All Data. This will log you out of Messenger, but you can still log back in without entering your password. If you want to fully log out in a way that will require your password to log in again, then the easiest way I've found is to actually delete the app and then reinstall it again. As you can see, after installing again, there is no history of my Messenger account. It is fully logged out. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if it helped you and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Messenger tips and tricks.